That's where I can see it. This is the place.
We're going to need ingredients, so scout the place and see what you can find. We need chemicals to cook. Muriatic acid, caustic soda, and hydrogen chloride. Easy. Remember to be careful. We cannot use the wrong ingredient. You need to be careful.
Wolf, come on.
All right.
Step it up.
Okay.
Listen up inside. We have to hurry. The cops' radio is buzzing like crazy. They're already on their way.
Go, go.
You might think that you're in charge of the situation.
Don't move.
You're mistaken.
Here they come, guys. Choppers and